Do you remember?
Well, nothing to seem out of place.
This don't look good, buggers. Something right about this. You know what? We need to find Smith.
You're right. You did say she tell us him did that trailer.
Yeah.
Make we move. Who you?
All will be revealed in due time.
Mr. Who you and what you want?
Hold on. Let me consult with the spirit.
Hey!
Bubbles! And the least of your troubles. Trying to figure out who me be. Look for me good.
Five, father.
I am here to issue a warning. Me get a very disturbing dream. And it involves
Simone?
when I can't find her.
Shepherd, you know which part she there?
I can't see her clearly. She's not hurt. But she's hurting.
What that mean? Look, no bother with the parables, just talk straight.
Something serious is coming. It involved 4 people. 2 no, included. There is somebody after you.
And when me say after, I mean after. It look like he's a family member. Be careful. And you, Bubbles, you will be going a long journey. Prepare yourself. Brother, all that no mean, but me not understand what I talk about. Mr. Shinehead, calm yourself. Mr. Contractor Man, Mr. Fugitive from the law, Mr. Politician. Do you know what it means to be an innocent man? You have a surprise coming to you. Prepare yourself. I said to prepare yourself. I will issue more information as the spirit moves me. Now I'm even more confused.
You need to clean up this situation with Carlton Wallace and the agent.
Seriously, who could take a shot like that?
Because if that comes out, the agency's done.
I need you to find me a place where I can lay low for 2 weeks until I deal with some unfinished business.
What's that?
Killing Carlton Wallace.
I know you're loyal to Mr. Mullins and the agents.
We need to be very discreet with any move we make.
I need to put a leash on him. What going on for me? A few mil.
I'm feeling pain.
Oh no, go and get rid of somebody's long time. Because when you can't control him, you still stuck at Uno.
So me, never make you feel special.
Tell me something. You know the person your mother involved with?
Tell him say if him go to the police, I go read about him.
I tell her I say, I'm not just the man who I see her phone on.
Just sign on the blank space upon the phone.
And that I can't take with you boy, you know. And then have no approach.
How you style as boy? Girl. Who you say as boy? How you do?
Ease yourself, not you.
No matter do nothing stupid.
Ah man. I'm not gonna do nothing stupid.
All is well?
Yeah.